On this platform, you'll be able to buy $1 at the rate of 550 naira. So if you want to learn more about crypto, make sure you check the link in the video description. I'm teaching people who have interest to learn crypto for free. So make sure you check the link in the video description. Just come to this buy now. After you press this buy now, you have option over here to choose the currency you want to buy with. Remember, you are using Naira, press this Naira, and right here, you want to choose the currency you want to trade with, the pair BUSDT. Remember, 515, that's 55,000. If you want to get $100 worth of USDT or BUSDT, is also equivalent to $1. This is my wallet address. If you don't know where you can find your wallet address, you can just come to this your account on Binance and come scroll down, find BUSDT and press deposit. After you press deposit and search your network and press BNB chain, and just have to copy, you see copy and come back again, come back and paste over here. After you paste, see view offer. Right now you see this is the best offer and this is the second offer, MoonPay, but simplest offer over here is the best one. With this kind of amount of Naira, you'll be getting $100. So let's say, for instance, with your bank transfer, make sure you find out specific account. Don't just use anyhow Naira card in Nigeria. Make sure you use MasterCard in Nigeria or Visa card. These both accounts are working, like UBA, they are working, or Pay or GTB in Nigeria. So make sure you use MasterCard, and once you are okay with this, remember, you can only trade with this around 25,000 or 23,000, 24,000. So this is a review video. You just have to press buy now if you want to buy. And after you finish this transaction, you come to this Binance and you sell at this rate. You see, if you sell that you buy at 55,000 and you are going to be selling at 75,000, that's range of 20,000 range profit, if I'm correct. Around 20,000, if not more than 20,000. So then right now, just come over here again. If you just want to be using this platform for other things, right now, you're able to get this dollar rate. Remember, you can create your account right here. If you create an account, you are going to get a wallet with this Bitpay app. So you're going to receive this money. If I press here, I want to get, I'm going to create this app. Once you buy this at this rate, let me press again view. Once you are successful to buy this with this rate over here, then you will receive your asset to this Bitpay account. So you'll be able to request this card and shop with dollar over the world and receive reward. So you can do this in the two ways, and just use this card to purchase something online, or to just use this on Binance, or to get this profit. And make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video. Just take this as educational purpose. I just review this project, and you know the card that is going to work for this, but I am sure that UBA is going to work for this UBA MasterCard and GTB MasterCard. If you want to try this, let me know in the comment section if you are trying this out. And if you don't forget, if you want to learn more about crypto, I'm going to leave a link in the video description for you to learn more about this crypto. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell.